Many of you struggle with dull skin, lackluster skin, pigmented skin, tanned skin, rough skin. Antidote to all this is the most powerful master antioxidant of, and also the most abundant antioxidant of our body, glutathione. Today we'll be talking about glutathione. Hello friends, I am Dr. Geeta Grewal, cosmetic surgeon and founder of 9 Muses Wellness Clinic and 9M Skincare, and my job is to make you look beautiful. Talking about glutathione today. What is glutathione? How does it work? What are the benefits? How can we increase this important, very important molecule to keep our skin healthy, brighter, lighter, and not only this, but to increase our immunity and keep diseases far away. What is glutathione? Glutathione is a triple peptide. Triple peptide means it has 3 peptides, that is amino acid, and these are all essential amino acid: glycine, cysteine, and glutamic acid. Essential amino acid means that our body cannot make them. Normally, we take a protein, body breaks it into different things and makes certain proteins, but this has to be consumed from outside so that body can make glutathione in our system, in the cells, and this is the most abundant antioxidant present in each and every cell, and every cellular function is optimized by glutathione. Especially it is in heavy abundance in all the metabolically active cells like liver cells, renal cells, neural cells, all the endothelial lining, the epithelial lining, and skin cells, and it plays a very important role in quenching the free antioxidants. Let's talk about its functioning in detail. So how does glutathione work? If I give you an analogy of kitchen, you work in your kitchen, you cook your food, kitchen gets messy, you clean up all the mess to restart the functioning again. That's exactly the job of glutathione in body, in every cell. It clears out all the mess that is created in functioning of the cell. When the cell is functioning, all the enzymatic reactions, they create a lot of superoxides, hypochlorous oxide, hypobromous oxide, hydrogen peroxide, and various other highly reactive oxides are formed even when body is exposed to pollution, exposed to stress, lack of nutrition. This causes free radical damage to all the tissues, the linings, and the repair on the cell goes down. Glutathione clears up all these active reactive oxygen species. It is made up of 3 peptides, and one of them is a sulfur-based peptide, and this cysteine molecule has sulfur on it. Glutathione is extremely unstable. It is very quickly giving away this sulfur to kill all these antioxidants, these all active radical species that are generated in the cell, and this kills and prevents the cell from damage. The glutathione donates this sulfur to kill a lot of free radicals, and it is happening in liver cell to optimize the liver functioning, in renal tissues, neural, muscular, and in skin it increases the level of pheomelanin, which is a lighter melanin. And not only this, it prevents the activity of tyrosinase enzyme, which increases pigmentation. That is why what happens when your glutathione levels are high, not only your organs function well, but your liver and your skin starts glowing. I'll relate to one of the incident that I remember from my medical college days. We had a patient who had very heavy liver damage. She had chronic liver failure and she had to undergo a liver transplant. But before that, when she was getting prepared, her skin was exceptionally tanned and very dark and inflamed. So much so, she had a lot of ulcers on her skin because of the liver damage. And after the transplant, there was a huge transition in her skin and overall health, and skin specifically became very light and bright. So that is why importance of glutathione is scientifically established now, that any chronic disease, be it pre-diabetic, any neural, cognitive disorders, liver disorders, renal disorders, not per se treating, but keeping these things at bay and overall improving health. That's why it is very, very important to increase the level of glutathione, and let's discuss how we can increase the level of glutathione in our body. How we can increase the level of glutathione? Mess less. As I told you, it clears the mess. If we decrease the mess that we are creating, glutathione level will be maintained well. You take less of alcohol, do less of smoking, take less of junk food. All this will decrease the mess that is happening in the body, and your glutathione levels will go up. Also, whenever in stress, manage the stress very quickly, because when cortisol goes up, it causes a lot of free radical formation in the body, and has to be settled with glutathione. So if you are under stress, follow these 2 tips. Do abdominal breathing, and deep, very deep exhalation that will relax you or move your body. It's fight or flight. When you're sitting and fighting, the oxygen radical is more. Once you fight, when you move, the body takes a different route, and the level of stress damage goes down. So move. Maybe you can dance, maybe you can do some activity, start cooking, start gardening, or some other whatever you can make a hobby, that whenever I'm under stress, I will start moving and do something physically rather than just sitting and repeating that stress in your mind. Next, what you can do is meditation. Research has shown that meditation for 10 to 15 minutes increases the level of glutathione in your body. So spend 10 to 15 minutes morning, evening, as per your convenience, to increase this glutathione level. Take supplements. Supplement of vitamin C, E, which are antioxidants, which are also doing the quenching of free radical. When they are there in support of glutathione, less job comes to glutathione, so you can take these supplements. Cysteine, NAC, when you take these supplements, they increase the glutathione level. Then you can also take food that is rich in these amino acids, like 150 grams of salmon twice in a week. Take 4 cups of green tea daily. It has been shown that if you take 4 cups of green tea on daily basis, it will increase your glutathione, and you will see your skin glowing, your liver enzymes coming down. So these are few foods that you can add. Kale, kiwi, and orange smoothie, omega-3 fatty acids. You can increase your lean protein. 40 grams of whey protein is excellent. If you can make a smoothie and add 40 grams of whey protein in that daily, it will certainly increase your glutathione levels. Now for skin, what can you do for skin to increase your glutathione level? You can use certain serums and creams, and it has been shown that 2% of serums and creams with 2% glutathione are effective in decreasing the melanocytic activity. It decreases the melanocytic activity, it decreases the pigment, it decreases the enzyme, it decreases the stimulation of these enzymes from UV, so it contains the UV damage. It causes cell proliferation, so your collagen will increase. It will cause brightening in your skin. It will decrease the pigmentation. It will make your skin more plump and lighter and brighter. So you can use glutathione serums and creams. You can take glutathione orally. When you take glutathione orally, 100 milligram of glutathione morning and evening is the best way, because once you take it orally, the availability is not for day long, so you need to take twice. But if you can't take twice, highly recommended is you take it in the evening when you're about to sleep. Your glutathione levels are high and body repair mechanism is going on when you're sleeping, so that functioning of repair and removing the dead cell, the cancer, even it's shown that glutathione keeps the cancer cells away, so all the dead cells can be taken care by the glutathione well, and all the antioxidants also can be taken care with these high glutathione levels. What about IV glutathione? IV glutathione 1200 to 2000 milligram once in a week is quite enough, I think, for giving that brighter and vibrant look. Not only this, whenever we give the IV drip for glutathione, most of our patients immediately say that they feel that's the rush of energy and they feel very energetic. So any exposure of stress you should immediately supplement your glutathione, because that time the body is under a lot of free radical attack, and the damage on your endothelium, your heart, your liver, your kidney, your pancreas, everything, your nerves are under attack. So increase your glutathione level to decrease the damage, to contain the damage. The protective function in body, the glutathione is present inside the cell, outside the cell, in the mitochondria, and it is present in two forms, the reduced form and the oxidized form. So quickly, this reduced form is the active form. It quickly donates that sulfur group and gets oxidized, and this is further converted into the reduced form. Reduced form is the active form. If you're taking glutathione in reduced form, not necessarily the reduced form will increase, because it is further broken down and then reconstituted in the cell. And also you can look out for liposomal glutathione, because liposomal glutathione is better bioavailable, because it is packed in a liposomal, in a fatty pocket, and this is absorbed better by your gut and by your intestine. Having said that, the supplement is not a substitute for a healthy diet. You need to maintain a healthy diet, and you need to follow hydration, nutrition, stress management, as well as supplements. So combination always works the best. Let me know if you like and you understood something new about glutathione today, and how you are adding glutathione in your body. If you're looking for some new suggestions, to let me know. Like and subscribe to our channel if you like watching such beauty and wellness videos, and do share with your friends who may benefit from this, and take care till we meet again.